Good morning, you guys, and welcome to Forex Trading. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis, alright? So guys, just a quick disclaimer before we get started. We are not a buy or sell channel, alright? We just do technical and fundamental analysis to find opportunities to bang pips in these markets, which we then convert into money. All right, so if any of you guys are looking for someone to tell you to buy now and sell now, you're on the wrong stream. Okay, but if you are looking to learn about these markets and trade the profitable Forex strategy live, then stick around, because that's exactly what we're gonna do. All right, guys, not too much movement in the markets today, which is exactly why we didn't do the London session as well. Why don't we have movement? Because tomorrow's a big day. Tomorrow is CPI. All right, so we're gonna have some. To me personally, I give more value to CPI than I do to FOMC or NFP. Okay, we're gonna have good movement tomorrow, so y'all know how it is. The calm before the storm. We're gonna be probably a little trendy, a little choppy today, and then tomorrow we're going to look to be a little more volume based. Okay, but nonetheless, it's still going to be a good day, and we still have some levels marked out. Me and Cash have been working really hard for the past couple of hours to figure out these levels for y'all, but we have them, and we were pretty confident with them. Okay, I blew my account in the last red folder because you're over trading too, so stop trading out of these sessions. Okay, trade within the sessions. When you make your goal, move out of it. All right, stop being greedy, and even if you're going to be trading off of these sessions, then just use small lots. Don't be using big positions. Okay, good morning, Space V1, my man. Dawood, I'm so sorry, brother. I was exhausted last night. I ended up sleeping. I have a busy night tonight as well. We'll touch base soon. All right, we'll touch base soon, bro. Good morning, Benedict. Joel, what's up, you guys? What's up? Okay, I just realized I haven't shared my screen as yet. Just give me a quick second. All right, you guys see my screen? This is what we're looking at on the dirty right now. All right, my inclination was more towards the sells on this key level, but we're breaking supply right now, so nothing's going to stop us to scalp these markets. Okay, what is the best strategy to trade during red folders, open orders? Well, okay, one sec, I'll get back to that. All right, guys, listen, this is the area. If y'all don't feel comfortable as yet, y'all can wait for price to maybe break that, but we're looking at this position. Okay, even though my bias was more towards the sells, but y'all know how it is, right? When there's big news, they want to trap the retail traders going the other way, and then they want to do what price action needs it to do. Okay, so let's see what they do. They may push it up, and if they do, we have our levels all marked out and ready for you guys. Okay, all right, so this is the dirty. This is Goldie right now. Okay, gold may buy as well. I'm not going to be buying gold, you guys. I'm not going to fall. Y'all can go ahead and do it. It's on you. Y'all taking your own trades. Y'all can go ahead and buy gold. We may pop all the way to the daily resistance, but I only trade price action, so I'm not going to get into this chop. Look at those wicks. Look at those candles. They're horrible. I'm only going to be interested on the sells if and when they happen, okay? All right, and we have nothing too much on DAX today. We have nothing too much on Nasty today. I was looking at Nasty, but I found the DAX just slightly better. Okay, so I thought we'll switch things up and we'll trade some DAX, because the ones that trade the London market open with us, they're used to trading the German 30 or DAX by now. But a lot of you guys who join us here for the New York market open, y'all don't trade DAX. All right, so this is the German 30. It's basically the top 30 or 40 companies of Germany, and that's the index. And we trade this just similar to the dirty 30. Okay, but this obviously has more movement during the London market open. But I like these levels. Okay, I have another critical level here marked out on DAX. If not for today, for tomorrow, that's fine. All right, but I'm just marking these levels out for you guys. What is the best strategy to trade during red folders? Open orders with stop loss TP. Sure, you can try that. Listen, placing orders is a little more advanced. All right, a lot of people think it's as simple as just placing the orders and then getting in and out, but you all need to realize there are a lot of factors that come into play, including spreads and any sort of liquidity grabs. If you have orders for both buys and sells, you could get triggered going both ways if your levels are not marked out right. There are a lot of challenges that may present themselves if you're playing with orders. Okay, so you want to be a little careful with that. I would recommend, if you're new, don't trade the first 5 minutes. Just don't trade that candle. It's not worth it, all right? The ones that have been trading with me for the past 3-4 months now, they've realized it. They're either opening up orders the right way because they're respecting the levels that me and Cash mark out, or they're just not FOMOing in, letting the trade play out, and then have a close retest confirmation, and then they get in on the trade, okay? So you can choose whatever works for you, because at the end of the day, you are trading your own account, all right? Anyone see that new announcement on FF about the spreads? Yes. I think they are. I did read about it. I didn't get a chance to go into much, and in all honesty, I haven't traded my funded in the past month and a half, so I am just ever so slightly away from it. But yes, I did read about it. Okay, look at this, you guys. Alright, we break that, and then maybe the sells could start to come in. Granted, you all know that there's all of this traffic sitting in this area, okay? But let's see. That is a structure break, so let's see if they want to give it to us. And I'm not in anything right now, though, okay? I'm in no sort of trades, no feelers, no nothing. Okay, let me take a look at the 30. Alright, coming right back down. We may get the buys, you guys, but y'all know me. I don't like trading against my analysis. Unable to view. Do we have the secondary stream on, Dawood?
Give me a second.
Sure thing, my man. Okay, so in case this wants to pop, it's gonna go boop, boop, till there. Probably get some traffic over there and up here. I'm not in any sort of buys. Are you guys? Dirty was a fake out or impulse? Well, so far it's not. They haven't showed us it's a fake out. If they close below our supply and close down here, that's when this would be called a fake out, because this was an impulse. This is now the retest. Okay, so let's see if they hold true to the retest, and if they do, then you could get maybe this tiny little move here, and if they have momentum, then even a little higher. Oil. Okay, that's oil. They're taking it to the upside, not looking to buy any oil. I have a sell area sitting at oil right here. I'm looking to break this key structure area to get in on sells, okay? But so far, bullish momentum, all right? We came into a pretty straight up apex on oil. All right, let me show you all what I mean. Right? We created this, built to an apex, broke out of the apex, retested, and continue to push up. And they're creating higher highs, okay? So let them do what they want to do, and we'll catch it when it hits our levels. Goldie? Alright, you guys, we're testing. I may get in on a little bit of a feeler. Alright, I just want to take a look at this. Okay, you know what? We do have a psychological level right there. Alright, we're sitting at the 33,800. Look at that. I'm not gonna look to get in on any sort of buys. Not till we cross this area. Let's see how price reacts around the 33,800, you guys, and then we'll sort of see what we have to do, okay? But I'm not in on this. Gold. Alright, I did get in on a little feeler on gold. Did anyone get in on gold with me? Just a tiny feeler. Just gonna test it out. I realize that there's a lot of traffic sitting right here. Okay, but I like the sells. All right, we could be looking at something like this. Okay, maybe a break, a retest, and a break. All right, we could go zone to zone. Let's see how that works for us. Mean spreads on gold for me today. Yeah. You got to see what they're going to do tomorrow, man. Red folder. They're going to... they're really going to mess with us. But then again, we are going to have a volumized move. So as long as we're smart about it, we're going to beat those spreads and make our pips nonetheless. Alright, so rejection coming in on oily. I'm just looking at oil on my phone. I like the 75.9 area, 76 area. Looks good to me. Okay, but we are forming some pretty critical support on oil right there. Okay, so maybe if we break down, I wouldn't want to put a sell as yet. Alright, I want to let y'all know that this is a T level. Okay, let's see. Let's have an alert right by here and let's see what they want to do when they're there. Okay, we also, this is also, I'm sorry bro, did you say something?
Oh, I was just saying gold is
Mm-hmm. It's too wiki for me, man. It's too wiki for me. My one-on-ones, you guys, all of y'all that are on the mentorship program with me, what are y'all seeing here? What is it that y'all spot right now? What's going on? Between the lines. Good. Good, good. Okay. Alright, so just one person? Dirty and German bleeding? Yeah. Yeah. So now we can successfully say that this is a fake out. Alright. Like I said, I was never inclined towards the buys. Let's see. Alright, maybe them trying to make a little bit of a head and shoulders here. Again, this is what I'm interested in. Alright, 33,710. Y'all know me. I trade structure. I trade price action, nothing more, nothing less. Okay, so for me, this is the area where I'm looking to get in with anything that's not a feeler. Okay, that being said, you see that? They could push it all the way up there. Okay, they could literally test the highs again, they could push it all the way up there, but I'm not gonna FOMO into it. No NAS today. No, I'm not doing NASDAQ today. Maybe a little closer to market open, but we'll see. I've done DAX instead of NAS today. Let's see, maybe a little closer to market open. We'll get it done. Took the words right out of my mouth. Okay. DAX is trying to push to the downside. Let's set a little alert right there. Let's look at gold. Alright, still just nothing too much chop on gold. The new Ali swap didn't really bring too much. Guys, tomorrow is going to be a fun day. Alright, I promise you all that. I'm excited myself. We're gonna have one of those. We're gonna have one of the big ones tomorrow. Okay, it's gonna be fun. Yeah, please be careful. Yeah, man. Listen, like Cash is saying. All right, please, y'all need to be careful though. Okay, because the ones that know how to trade these red folders make a lot of money, but the ones that are just coming on and that are just gonna try it for the first time, I promise y'all are gonna lose money. All right, so just be careful and just let just watch. All right, if it's your first big red folder with forex trading, then just watch. You know, you'll always learn, and we've got at least 2 red folders every week. Okay, so just take it easy and learn. All right, but for the ones that have been trading with me, tomorrow's gonna be money. Good luck all. Work meeting. Make that bang. Cheers, Connor.
What would you
I'm gonna have to update you guys in the next couple of hours, bro. We may start just slightly earlier, but I'll let you guys know in the next 3 or 4 hours, like before I go to sleep tonight. So yeah. you you all we know 200 300 pips in a fold. If it goes against you, it can harm your account badly. But yes, please. A hard stop loss is 100% recommended by all of us here at Forex Trading. Okay, use a hard stop. Once y'all start to get more confident, y'all can look to sort of just get in and out of things. But if y'all want to be learning and if y'all are on live accounts, use a hard stop loss. Y'all don't need Lambos tomorrow, okay? The reason y'all don't need Lambos is because the moves are going to be bigger, which means where we get a 30 pip move, we'll get a 300 pip move, right? So instead of using $30 a pip, you could use $3 a pip, and it's still going to be the same thing, right? So just take it slightly easy tomorrow. That's all I'm trying to say. Okay, so Goldie, still to me, you guys. It looks like this flag wants to play out. We could get here, no problem, you guys, but we need to break. Alright, now we don't know if they're holding this for market open or if they're just like, look at that. Look at all of this dirty momentum over here, okay? Is a hard stop the same thing? Yes. No. By hard stop, I meant set a stop loss where it's a fixed stop loss. Like put in the numbers, put in price, and make sure you have it there to be triggered in case it wants to go against you. Because sometimes, usually what happens, right? I mean, at least it happened with me in my early days. I don't know how many of y'all it happened with. Let me know in the chat if it did. But I would think that I'm going to get stopped out here when it's going against me. But then I'm like, it'll probably go down to the next level. So I'll hold it on. And that's how you emotionally trade, right? You're not able to give up the trade thinking that my analysis is right and it will go, but it never does. That's these markets, right? So it's best in the early days, in the first couple of months till you pick it up, use a hard stop, buddy. Just meditate before trading tomorrow. That's funny, babe. Been there, it's brutal. Tell me about it, man. I've been there more times than I'd like to accept. It's horrible. Vix, funny you. Okay, let's try to break down. Let's see, you guys. Let's see. I'm expecting a relatively slow... Oh, look at that. Okay, the Dow's going. I don't know. If you guys want to be buying this, I wouldn't recommend you all to get in now. I think... Listen, if y'all are going to be fast enough and your spreads are not bad... That's a 13 pip move right there, okay? That's if your spreads are good enough. So if you have a pip or 2 pips like me, then you could bank 10 pips off of this. If not, just wait for price to do its thing. It's not worth it, okay? Again, you need to break that. We're not going to get any sort of move till we don't break this previous resistance. Slow markets today, you guys. Slow markets.
Isn't that what we said yesterday? And then the market just started pumping?
But the thing is, with CPI tomorrow, we could definitely get a pump today. I'll tell you why. Alright? Okay, one sec. Gold, oily... Alright. Look at this, you guys. In case we maybe want to start to test this area. Alright, if anyone's trading this, watch out. Feelers on the impulse and Lambos on the retest, okay? Yeah, so like I was saying though, we didn't have CPI today, right? I mean, tomorrow is like a really, really big red folder. And one sec, I'm just watching this. And usually what they do for these red folders though, there's, say they want to sell. The previous day, they're going to buy, leave an imbalance that's created, and then the markets will fill that imbalance and push even more against. Okay, so we need to sort of keep that in mind and not be trapped. All right, so listen, there is if we switch over to the 15s, we're looking at a good possible... You see that? Right? That's a big ass freaking. If you want to mark the whole thing out, we're looking at this, right? We obviously have more in between. Yeah, we have all of this sort of movement going on over here, right? So this could definitely be bullish. I'd still say that this is our key selling area in case they want to push it bearish. But if y'all want to maybe test it out, that's why we have this position here. So feelers, all right? Don't go too crazy. Just feelers in this area. This is still the 15-minute impulse. All right, and on the 5, they're respecting it so far. So we'll watch.
Do we treat the lot sizes for oil like gold or?
It depends on your broker. What broker are you on?
MFF.
I think, babe, what is it on MFF oil? Is it 100 or 1,000 contract? So it's like gold. It's like gold. Are you saying it's like gold? No? Alright, so she's saying, Cash is saying, again, you're gonna have to test it out, but Cash is saying if a 1.0 should be $1 on. Alright, but is anyone actually trading gold? If you guys are aware of it and know it for sure, then go ahead, because on Hanko it's different. I think it should be.
I think I'll just
Yeah, just try taking in a 0.1. MFF, oil equals 100, gold equals 100. Okay, there you go. So it's the same.
awesome. Thanks.
Thank you, Minted Destiny. Guys, I have a shout out, alright? Give me a second, okay? I have a shout out that I have to give before these markets start to move, alright? Give me a quick second, okay? We'll get to that in just a minute, you guys. Okay, watch gold as well. Okay, German 30 is approaching our area, you guys. Let's watch, okay? Let's watch. 30. Oil running. Joel, you catching this? Okay. Guys, Will, are you on the stream? I really want to give a massive shout out to you, my man. I don't know if you guys saw it or not, but Will posted a lovely thread on Twitter for forex trading, and for us, I really appreciate you, my man. It's I'm so glad we have people like you on here. Cheers, my man. Always appreciate you, Will. For real, it's lovely, and just guys, he took in the time, the effort, and he realizes the value that we're putting over here. And react to his heart, you guys. Give him some hearts, right? He took the time out to really make it for us. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you. All right, and this is the sort of loyalty, and this is the sort of people that we're gonna grow with, and I promise you all that. Okay, thank you so much, buddy. We appreciate you, all of us at forex trading. Okay, and guys, oil is making a little bit of a move. Okay, let's look at everything. Is Nasty doing something? Good lord, Cash is still trading Nasty even when I don't have Nasty charted up. She still trades Nasty. Okay, maybe we'll do some Nasty, but in the next 5 or so minutes, okay? Really appreciate you, my brother. Will, I feel that Nasty is going to be the move today. We'll take a look. We'll take a look closer to market open. All right, Space V1, my man. Thank you, Will. Yes, sir. For now, for now. Let's see. Maybe we have a little volume come in, and what you know where my thought process is at right now, Dawood. I really feel that we'll probably get some moves because they want to trap the retail into thinking what's going to happen tomorrow. Right? You get what I'm saying? So I feel like based off of that, to create that imbalance, we may get the moves. But apart from that, this is just to trap the retail. They'll be making some money today, and then tomorrow they're going to think that the markets are going to continue to do the same thing, and boom, we're gonna go the opposite way. Okay, so that's what leads me to believe that we may have a little bit of a move. But let's see. All right, I'm not going to be upset if we don't. That's my point, because tomorrow is going to be one hell of a day.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, Goldie, oil. Okay, so now we're forming a new level of support on oil, right by those bodies. Joel, watch for that. Okay, watch for that. And then of course we have this level which is lined up with our previous bodies, so we could easily test out that as well. Okay, but let's see if they want to give it to us. I don't think Uma is on the stream today, or she would have chirped a little about oil for sure. Ugh, this is making my head hurt, you guys. Look at gold. It's the only freaking trade I'm in, and just look at it. It's so choppy. Uma oil. Uma oil, where are you?
I think if you call out her name 3 times and then spin around in a circle,
Yeah, she'll appear. A wild Uma.
with her what's puppy? What is it? Chihuahua? I'm not sure.
She's really sweet though, and she's a smart trader. She is. She's on the one-on-ones with me as well, and I've seen her grow, and she's good. She's good. We have a lot of OG traders on here that are doing really well, man. I don't even need to take your names. Y'all know who y'all are. The ones that have been with us from month one. It's unreal, but all of them, for real, they're making profits, man. They're seeing it, and it nothing makes me and Cash happier than just watching our strategies sort of flourish with people. You know, we started somewhere, we're here now, and we can't wait for where we're going to be in the next 6 months. And not just me and Cash, but all of us at Forex Trading, you guys. We're so glad to be able to do this for y'all.
100%. Love to hear it. Love to hear it.
Yeah, man.
Really glad we've been seeing a lot of success
Hmm.
with everybody.
It gets better every day, man. You know, I personally, I put the W's on, and I see more people react to it every single day. To me, that's a straight indication that we're doing something right, and I absolutely love seeing it. In all honesty, Cram Effects, Cash Effects is right. Some meditation before you. That wasn't a joke.
Every morning.
That wasn't a joke. She was being dead serious about that, you guys. Y'all need to be in the right mind space if you're going to be trading these markets. Because listen, I promise these markets, they'll make you a lot of money, but it'll take back all that money and more a lot quicker. Okay? So y'all need to be in the right mindset. Y'all need to be calm. Y'all need to come back with a fresh mind, and y'all need to realize that losses are a part of this journey. Okay? If you don't fall down, you're not going to be able to get back up, and you're not going to learn how to keep pushing forward. Okay, you need to fall down to learn. It's happened with me, it's happened with Cash, it's happened with Millzone, it's happened with Dawood, it's happened with everyone on here. Alright, but it's the ones that stick by it that actually make money through it. Alright, so just do what you're doing, you guys. P2 looking forward to it as well, my man. Just do what you do, stick with it, and I promise it's all gonna work out. Okay, let's see if they respect this freaking trend line up here, you guys. And then again with Millzone, and again. Yeah, man. Trust me, if this was 2017 and I had to say again and again and again, I'd be speaking for probably 24 hours at a stretch, bro. Like it's you guys are on. Trust me, y'all are doing really really well for the amount of time you'll have spent in these markets.
I mean, this is how you learn, right? You
Absolutely,
fall
man.
and you get back up.
Absolutely. There's no easy way that would it's I personally believe if someone is just making money off the bat, it's only beginner's luck, and beginner's luck is going to end at some point, and then when you're done, you're like, damn it, these markets are not for me, they're shit, it's manipulated and all of that good stuff. But people don't realize that TA is a real thing. TA is a real thing. We do this in front of you guys every single day, and this it's all you need in these markets. And in all honesty, it's all you need in crypto. Like I don't put my mind to crypto, but I'm certain if I do, I'll be making a shit ton of money off of that, because the way crypto is going to move, technical analysis for crypto and technical analysis for forex is going to be different. All right, even though the basis and the on the ground level they're going to be the same, but it's just they're two completely different um, species, if I may. So they're being able to you need to sort of figure out what the movements are, what affects particular movements, and what these markets do when news releases. And as long as you're able to figure that out, it doesn't matter if you're doing forex, it doesn't matter if you're doing crypto, it doesn't matter if you're doing stocks, you'll make money, because TA is for real, you guys. We're so proud of you all. Absolutely. This mix. Thank you, Jem. I had a lovely session with Jem. It was a really, really good one-on-one. She's another trader that's come such a long way. It's unreal. I remember her first session, and we're now done with four. Um, and she's doing really well. The best lessons I learned is from taking L's. Absolutely, man. The only lessons you're gonna learn are from the L's, bro. Straight up. Because when you make those dubs all the time, you're just gonna get too comfortable, and you're not gonna have a reason as to why you're making it. But every time you take an L, you look back at it and you think, why? Why did I? Thanks, Ashley. Why did I take that L? And then you're going to be able to reflect upon it, and you're going to be able to make more sense out of it and have a reason as to why you won't make the same mistake again. Too much chop on gold, you guys. Too much freaking chop on gold. I don't like this. We have about 7 minutes to market open. All right, and should we blind eye some Nasdaq, babe?
Yeah, every time I want to mention the goal, like hitting their box, it just freaks me out.
Yeah, but
Maybe
one attempt, two attempt.
see some actual action.
Yeah, man, 3 attempt, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a lot of attempts to the downside, right? And if we had to make this a flag, we're looking at this structure. So the break of this area would be the break of the flag. Next support down here, previous support here. We're looking at some pretty decent levels in case we want to go. And look at the bigger picture, right? Look at the bigger structure. Okay, look at this. 1, 2, 3. All of this chop here. 4, 5, 6. Boom, break. Imagine if we get that break, you guys. It'd be the freaking move of the day. Okay, let's see if they want to give it to us, though. It is CPI tomorrow, so maybe they want to play with us a little more than we'd like. But let them do their thing, okay? Alright, let's take a look at Nasty. Yep, just keep me updated on this, okay, you guys? I'm gonna set an alert right by here because I'm already in on a feeler. Okay, so I'm gonna set an alert by there. And listen, you guys, get into the habit of putting hard stops. What I mean by that is start using the zones to your advantage, and start using the zones to find your stop losses and your TPs, okay? So if you're in on the feeler with me, depending on how small your feeler is, you could either have my stop loss is going to be up here because y'all know me, my feelers are tiny and I let my feelers ride out. But if you're using a slightly bigger account, because I know the guys on the individual accounts, they can't really be using nano lots. So Sandy and Barney, and everyone else that are trading the individual accounts. If you want to have a stop loss, have the previous zone. All right, that's not so bad. We're not looking at too much over here. You should be able to hold for at least 20 pips, and I'm pretty sure that's about 20 pips. What is it? 76, 79, 20, 30 pips. Okay, 25 pips right there. Nasty. Yes, over trading. that's the worst thing. All right, so we have 4 minutes. We have 4 minutes to market open. Let's do a quick. Let's take a look at the daily. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So that's our daily high. We have some daily support right by this area. Okay. Let's have that marked up. Let's switch over. Okay, the dirty's pushing up. Let's see how it reacts at the 800. Okay, you guys, let's see how they react at the 800. This is the last 5-minute candle before market open. All right, you guys, let's have an alert right there. Oh, it's gonna hit the freaking alert right now. Okay. Right, so that's nasty for you guys. Dirty's going bullish. Look at that. All right, guys, listen, if y'all don't feel comfortable, wait for the new candle, okay? Don't, there's still 2 minutes. Y'all know they can do this dirty. If it closes above, then let's look for a retest and confirmation, but this to me doesn't look very good, okay? I'm not in on this, and I don't want no part of this, okay? But if they close above the 800 on market open, that's when I look to get some, okay? Gold is starting to go bullish. Sorry, you guys, I'm just doing a quick top down right now. Okay. Ah, nasty is attempting to as well. Okay, so that was our supply. Okay, is anyone getting in? Yep, the DXY is bleeding. I am watching that, bro. Is anyone getting in on the buys, you guys? I'm gonna wait for the next 40 seconds and see sort of how they want to play it. If I get the retest confirmation, I'd be looking to get in, okay, you guys? Let's see. If not, they break from down here, I'm gonna look to get in on the short positions. Okay, we have about 30 seconds to go. Alright, I am going to be trigger finger, you guys. I have no feelers in on this one. Let's sense what momentum wants to do, what price wants to do, and let's go. 5 seconds, guys. This is the New York market open. Let's have a good one. Okay. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Nothing. Nasty. Alright, you guys. Okay, boom. Alright, who's in on nasty? Who's in on nasty? Is anyone catching that? Babe, are you in on nasty? Alright. Cash is making someone nasty, you guys. Frickin' hell. Look at that. Let's take a quick look at the hourly. Cash is whispering that into my ear. Beautiful. Testing the 70. Okay. Alright, look at the dirty. The dirty is trying to do it as well, you guys. Okay. Alright, I hope the ones that got into Nasty took that out. Did you guys take out Nasty? Did y'all take profits on Nasty? Did anyone catch the impulse on Nasty, you guys? Or are y'all still in on it, which is why y'all aren't typing? I didn't get in on Nasty. I didn't, me neither, man. Didn't get in. Okay, good, you guys. I think Cash was the only one trading it. Me too, man. I didn't get in on Nasty. I'm looking at the dirty. Let's see. Okay, is the dirty gonna follow suit, you guys? They're trying. They just don't have enough volume. I don't feel very comfortable with that right now. Look at that. Nasty rejected. Okay. Solid rejection on Nasdaq. Okay. We break that. We can come down there, okay? Test this area, push further, maybe to that area. Okay, the dirty is coming down as well now. Nasty. And look at the dirty. Look at the dirty, alright? The dirty is trying to come down as well. Is that a retest or is it not? Guys, who's banking on either of these? Alright, this is the impulse. But who's banking? Is anyone in? Oh, look at that drop, you guys. Okay, let's see. Just be on a freaking feeler right now. Don't go too crazy, okay? Why am I looking at the dirty when Nasty is giving us the moves going both sides? I'm so confused. Alright, guys, if you're in, either take out your profits or have a break-even stop loss because y'all don't want to risk this chop right now, okay? If you trade the way Cash does, you would have banked both up here and down here. Because I'm just looking at her MetaTrader right now and that's exactly what she's done.
I'm out of buys.
You're out?
Out of buys and sells.
Okay, so she's out of buys and the sells. Alright guys, too much chop for market open. Look at the dirty. Too much chop. Alright? Come on, I want gold to give us something, man. Give it to us. Look at this is making my head hurt. Okay, let's find a good entry. Tell me about it, man. It's freaking yeah. I like this on the dirty, guys. Whenever it comes there, if it comes there, but I really do like that. Straight up. Okay, but that being said, they could also just continue to push it up there, okay? Y'all know how these markets are, especially before news. Okay, I'm looking at a really choppy head and shoulders here. Okay? So let's see if they want to hold true to that. Guys, I have a quick question for y'all, okay? Tomorrow, because we have CPI, London's gonna be pretty choppy, okay? Do y'all still want to trade London? Because it's the reason why we didn't do it today as well. And we're probably not gonna get any moves even worse than what's happening right now. If y'all want to trade it, if we have a minimum of 25 people that are gonna be joining, then Cash will be trading it for y'all. If not, we're just gonna do CPI straight and we're just gonna work towards CPI straight up. I won't be on tomorrow. London. Okay, you know what, babe? Can you type in London? Guys, Cash is just gonna type in London, and go ahead and just react to this if you guys want the London session tomorrow. Okay, bring that up to 25 and we'll do London tomorrow, okay? Cash is watching it right now. I'll do a count tomorrow, I promise. Okay. So we have 20 people, babe, so far. No off day for you tomorrow. Gold trying again, yeah, man. Gosh, it's too much up. Nasty's going bullish. Guys, look at this. They're just ranging back and forth between this wick and this wick. It's freaking dirty. It's horrible, okay? Gold! Finally! Freaking finally on gold, okay? I'm not in on a Lambo, but I am going to see the break of this area, alright? I'm in with just one position on gold right now, alright? We have 2.5 minutes. Okay, let's see. Come on, freaking give it to us. Give me my move, man. Give me my freaking move. Okay, guys, watch the Dow as well. Watch dirty. Watch dirty for this area. Okay, let's throw on an alert here in case they want to come there. Okay. Okay, Nasty went up to hit TP, you guys. Dirty, Nasty went up to hit TP. Next. Right there. I'm watching dirty, you guys. I'm watching dirty and gold. Nasty's a freaking move, though, you guys. Quick in and out for me on gold. Awesome. I'm just in on a feeler on gold. Just holding. Just seeing how this candle wants to close. I'm not in on a Lambo. Just a feeler. Okay. Too much chop today, you guys. Huh.
Yeah, I mean, oil had a little bit of but not that much.
Yeah, me too, man. Literally, from this whole session, I've legit just hit sell once, that to a feeler on gold, and I've done nothing else so far. Like, this is a, and you all know me. I like throwing in feelers. I get in and out, but for me, this is just this is not tradable volume. You know, not. We can't be doing it safely with this sort of volume, all right? Because look at freaking Nasdaq. Look at what Nasdaq is doing, and you know what the best part is? If I would have done the top down on Nasdaq like I normally do with German 30, I would have had my bias before I put the buys and sells, right? I shared that with you guys closer towards market open. I would tell you all, we're not buying this market, we're only selling this market. Literally, so I wouldn't even be getting in on these buys if they were playing out right now on Nasdaq. You know, because that's my bias for the dirty as well, and they pretty much are, at least price action wise, they are identical. Dirty? I don't like this. Look at gold, look at gold, look at gold, look at gold, look at gold. Come on, give it to me. Give it to me. I'm in on gold, you guys. Alright, I'm in on gold. 900. I'm going to change this to break even real quick. Alright, I'm not going to risk anything on this. Give me a second. Okay, I'm at break even on this trade, you guys. I'm at break even. I am in on a Lambo and I'm up by about 400 right now, okay? ranging between 2 and 400. But I'm also on a break-even stop loss because I'm not risking anything on this chop. Okay, I got stopped out of gold, you guys. I got stopped out of gold. Alright, freaking horrible. I'm gonna watch for the break of maybe this area again to see if we want to get it, but I got stopped out. Oh yeah, it absolutely doesn't justify. Is oil doing something? Yes, sir, it is. Look at that. Respected the level. Joel, did you catch that? We're looking to come down to our key area. Guys, I am watching gold really closely on my phone. Guys, we should have just taken the day off today. I kid you all not. These markets they're good to learn, but they're not good to trade. I kid you not. This is not nice. If they don't respect this, we should just cut the session off and call it a day. I kid you not. They're not respecting it. Yeah, it's really, really choppy today. Like, it's one of those days where guys, oil. It's one of those days where there is volume, but it's not good volume, right? Guys, I am in on oil again, by the way. Okay. Alright, I'm running on oil. I'm running on freaking oil. Give it to us, man. Just give it to us. It's been long enough. And I want to have at least one good trade, alright? But I am running 800 bucks on oil right now. Okay, I'm running an 800 on oil. Who's catching oil with me? Not oil, my bad. Sorry, you guys. Gold. I'm so sorry. Gold. I didn't mean oil. I'm in on gold. I'm running on gold. That's what I meant. My bad. I'm so sorry. I was so glued to my screen and I was just looking at entering at the right time. I thought I was selling. I was saying gold. Alright, but I'm in on gold, you guys. Okay, and I'm running about 700 on gold right now, okay? 800 on gold. 900 on gold. Alright, it is wicking back on me. It's ranging. Guys, if you're in on this, have your stop loss at break even, alright? Because these are really choppy markets today. I don't want you all to be risking anything, okay? This chop is not tradable price action. Sorry. I don't know why I had those gaps in between that, but anyway, okay, dirty and nasty. Alright, you guys. Dirty being dirty. Okay, I'm running about 600 bucks on gold, you guys. 700 on gold. Alright, is anyone catching the dirty or Nasdaq? We've got moves running everywhere. Is anyone catching that? Dirty, Nasdaq, gold, oil. Babe, you're doing nasty. I know. What about the rest of y'all? Oil? I'm personally on gold today, you guys. Gold, Ashley, okay. I'm on dirty and gold. Nice. I don't believe dirty being bullish. Yeah, me neither. Me neither. That's what I was trying to say, which is why I'm not even looking at the indices today. Yeah, we could be bullish up to here though. No problem. We can be bullish up till there, but that's not good price action. Price action's down here. Okay. Small one on oil. All right. If anyone's trading the dirty, let's find y'all the next TP based off of the structure on the left right there. Okay, and if y'all are trading nasty, I don't like nasty today. Oil, nice moves on oil. And gold, I'm still on my trade, guys. I haven't hit my break-even stop loss. I'm still in on this. I'm up by about 450-ish. Ranging between... Okay, it's going up now. Guys, make sure y'all have this on break-even, okay? Please. I can't stress on that any further. If y'all got in on oil with me, we're literally just banking off of this much. Alright, so make sure y'all have that at break even. Okay, I'm up by about 950. Are we gonna hit the 1,000 mark? If I get 1,000 on this trade, I'm just gonna liquidate maybe 70 or 80%, okay? Right when I said that, it pushed back down to 700. Alright, give me $1,000. Come on. Okay, I just hit 1,000. I just hit 1,000. Are we getting? Yes, we are. All right. Come on, give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Listen, guys, if we need to break this, we need to break it now, okay? Because if we don't, we're not gonna be able to push past these wicks, and then we're there. You go. All right, finally. Yeah, I liquidated my position. All right, so I was in. Let me show you all how much profit I was in. All right, so I caught about, oh fuck, and when I liquidate this happens, right? Gold and close my trades. All right. Gold's running though right now. Guys, I just got in on gold again. I'm sorry, I couldn't stop myself. I'm going to pull this out real quick. Oh, there you go. Yes, sir. Guys, take out your positions now. We're not going to get any more than this. Take it out, walk away, and let's move out of gold, okay? That's it. Big dubs on gold for me as well. I just banked. So when I saw that break and I told you guys that I got in, before that I got in with 2x my Lambo. I just pulled out 3,000 from this trade and I pulled out 800 from the first one. Beautiful move on freaking Goldie. I love it. Break of structure, you guys. Straight up break of structure, and now this is going to be the biggest structure, okay? So are we going to break past the daily supply, or is this going to be the new buying area? In all honesty, I don't care about it because I've made my pips for the day, alright? But you guys, if y'all haven't made your pips, watch and see how this candle closes, okay? I just pulled out 4K on gold and I couldn't be happier. I still have $20 that's running in these markets with a break-even stop loss. Don't fade cram. Yes, sir. Move after market open. Are we on London session? Hey, man, this stuff happens. Thank you, Gen X. Finally. It was worth the wait, huh? We didn't look at the indices today. We didn't get in on that shop, but it was worth the wait. We had quite a few people trading gold today. I saw you guys. Quite a few on gold. All right, so how many of y'all caught Goldie? React to my W. Nasty's flying. How many people caught gold, Nasdaq, or US 30 or oil? All right, we have 4 good trades that are still running right now. Guys, there's no way only 6 of y'all caught it, okay? It's gonna be horrible if we move down from freaking 20 to 6 and 7. I'm gonna be upset. Still running on oil? Awesome, man. Make sure you have a break-even stop loss or at least trail it, alright? I have a really severe trust issue on gold. No gold today. Fair enough. 13 people? Do we have fewer people on the stream today? Is it that? Or was it because we have a lot of people scared of trading gold? Fair enough. No, I understand that. Today is a choppy day. I understand that. Me and gold don't get along too well. Oh yeah. I used to share the same love-hate relationship with gold. But then when I figured it out, it was literally life-changing for me. Yep, I'm looking at the Dow right now. Alright, let's see if they break past our demand, you guys. Let's see if they break past that demand. And if they freaking want to give it to us. We're going to keep the sells where they are. Okay, guys, remember, this is going to be the impulse. It's not going to be anything more than that. So make sure y'all aren't getting in prematurely. Okay, let's have a close within our box. And that's when we look to get in. Okay, I'm just going to make a little bit of an adjustment here. Give me a second, you guys. Let's get that. Okay. Let's get that. Alright, you guys. It's trying to do it wicked. Alright, so I've updated that for you guys to see. Look at gold, you guys. Still freaking running. What a play on gold. I love it. I love it. For real. We we have a good level of support coming in right there. So let's see. It's attempting to. I am getting it on a little feel, okay, you guys. Just $1, just to test it out to see if they want to close. And I'm gonna have my stop loss up by these wicks for the ones that are on for the ones that can't use nano lots. You'll want to have your stop loss at 33,800. Okay, German 30 gave us nothing. Maybe we use this for London in case you have to do it. Alright guys, we're also going to stay on the stream for about the next 8 minutes. And then we're going to call it a session. Okay, we'll see the RD swap. And B2, my man, I'm going to have to push your session by 30 minutes. Alright, buddy, because I'm going to need a little break after the live session. And then and then we'll get started with your one-on-one, okay? Space V1, I will message you tonight. I do have something for you, okay? Okay, a little bit of a retest on oil. Ugh, now I have my eyes on the dirty. I feel like I don't want to move from here. Let's try to get a little bit of a move on the dirty and let's call it a session, you guys. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. See a quick look at the RSI. Beautiful. What a setup. Okay, let's get this, you guys. Okay, listen, y'all need to realize we may get this on the new hourly swap, okay? So we have about 7 minutes to the hourly swap. Alright, that's some wop. Guys, I just got in on the dirty and I'm up by 1,000. I'm changing this to a break-even stop loss. Okay, I'm on a break-even stop loss and I'm literally running in 3 pips profit right now, so I could get out of this at any time, but I'm up right now. Okay, 1,500, 1,600, 1,800 on freaking dirty. I love it, you guys. I love it. I love it. I love it. We're gonna hit TP straight to our demand zone and then we're gonna come into our critical level, alright? So I just pulled out. I was literally watching it and I was seeing it and I hit sell. That's what I did. Okay, I pulled out. Let me tell you how much I pulled out on this. I pulled out 1,600. I pulled out 1,600 on the dirty, you guys. 1,600. Did anyone catch the dirty with me? Anyone catch this? The impulse? W? Awesome, Will. Awesome, man. Did you guys get the impulse or are y'all waiting for the retest, confirmation, and the break? Because if y'all are waiting for that, that's fine. Alright, that's perfectly fine, but I caught the impulse. W small one, good, good, good. Alright, good stuff. Okay, let's look at the retest now. Alright, I have liquidated this. I will look to maybe re-enter in case price wants to give us a break of structure, a break of previous structure confirmation, okay? Huh? Yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna stay for another 5 minutes. And I'm gonna then get off the call, okay? Changing a diaper, missed it, Dan. Yes, sir, you missed it, man. Beautiful setup on the dirty. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I'm looking at this break. Alright? And I'm looking at this break. Maybe I get in on 2 positions. I don't know. Okay? Okay. Nothing so far. No re-entry so far. Alright, we do have a nice level. I'd like to switch this up a little bit. Let's have that right there. Yeah, right there. So we have formed a nice level of support. Retest. Come on. Give us something. We've got about 2.5 minutes to the hourly swap, and let's see. All right, you guys, I am gonna call it a session after the new hourly candle opens up. All right, we've got the levels marked. We're still currently running in trades, so overall, it's been a good day. It's been a good day. It's been a choppy session, but we've still managed to make our money, and for the ones that haven't been trading, I'm sure you all learned a lot today, okay? Right, Nasty's come back down to the entry. Guys, I'm gonna be watching this level. Alright, I'm really gonna be watching this level. Just want to know what that break of structure is going to bring you guys. We could get this and no problem. For real. 710, 650, 60 pips right there on a choppy day, no problem. Okay, look at this. I just got it on a little Corolla, you guys. Nothing too big. Nothing too big. It is a Corolla. Okay, and I can hold a Corolla just a little more. So that's fine. I am in on a Corolla. Okay. I like the rejection coming in. Well, we're sitting by that freaking demand right there. Okay, we need to break that demand, and we need to break it with force. Alright, so we have about 50 seconds to go for the new hourly swap. Let's see if they want to give us a move or if this is going to be it for the session, alright? The gains, my man. The session tomorrow, right? Yep. Okay, 23 seconds to go, you guys. Let's see. I'm looking at the Dow. Five seconds. Good lord, what is with these markets, man? It's so freaking slow. It's like the markets aren't matching up with my energy today. Making me sleepy. Okay, for anyone that's in on this trade, you can have your stop loss up at the supply there. So you're looking at the daily resistance area, okay? Oil making a little bit of a retracement. Gold picked up support from the daily, you guys. Picked up some support right from there. German 30 never tested our area. Mark out the 14902 area, okay? 14902 on the DAX. Good move whenever it happens, okay? Nasi's coming down as well. Why are these markets so slow today, babe? It's freaking horrible. Okay, let's do some trade recaps for the day, alright? So we had our gold sell that hit TP for 61 pips. Gold sell for 61 pips. We had a dirty buy that hit TP for 58 pips. US 30 is trying again. Okay. We'll get to these sells in a bit. Guys, give me a second. I'm looking at my MetaTrader. Congratulations, my man. Good job. Good job, buddy. Nothing. Okay, so we had the sells on the dirty for 31 pips. And we had the sells on oil for 61 pips. Sounds like a good day to me, you guys. Sounds like a good day. I'm sorry?
This was 66 and dirty sell.
31, I think. Dirty sell. 31. Alright, you guys, so listen. Before we started the stream, I did tell you all that this session was going to be choppy. It was choppy in its own way, where we did have some volume, but it wasn't good volume, alright? But irrespective of that, we've still made our money sitting right here, alright? Not just me and Cash, but all of you guys that are actually trading with us. I know y'all have made some money today as well, okay? So, this is what we do here at Forex Trading, you guys. We come here twice a day, every single trading day, and we stream the New York and the London market open for y'all. I do the New York market open, which is this session. My lovely wife, Cash FX, she does the London market open, and we do this for you guys every single day. All right. All we ask for in return, you guys, is some Twitter posts and some success stories. All right. Listen, me, Cash, and everyone at Forex, not just me and Cash, right? But me and Cash are especially sitting on the charts 24/7 to find these levels for y'all. All right. And we have Milzone, Yano, Daoud working behind the scenes 24/7. I kid you not, making everything that we're doing better and better for y'all, and just creating a structure of what we have to make out of here. Okay. So all we ask for y'all in return is it'll take 30 seconds of your time. It won't take more than that. It takes us 24 hours, practically the whole day. But all we're asking for in return are some success stories and some Twitter posts. Okay, my man Will WK right here, he showed us so much of love through those threads on Twitter, and we're looking for stuff like that. All right, because if you guys support us, we're anyway here banking these pips for y'all. If y'all support us, it's just gonna make us so much more happier, and we're just gonna do this with all that more love for y'all. All right, so please guys, just success stories, and thank you, Dawood. Thank you, my man. Alright, you guys, so listen, I'm still going to be in on the sells for the dirty. I told y'all I'm going to have my stop loss up at the daily resistance. I'm in on a Corolla, and I have no problem risking that. My Corolla is just $3, so that's $3, which is basically 3 feelers for me. Alright, so I can hold it up to there. I have no problem with that. And then when we break our key level, please mark this level up, okay? 33,710. Whenever we break, close, retest, reject, and break down, then you want to get in. But again, guys, I would highly recommend y'all to not use anything that's not a feeler when you're off the sessions. Okay, if y'all want to learn, or y'all will end up losing money. Okay, you may win some trades, but guys, if y'all don't get the right levels, y'all are gonna lose money. Alright, so just, even if you're going to be trading by yourself, just make sure you're using feelers. Don't be using any sort of Lambos, don't be using Corollas, don't be using anything of that sort. But again, it's your account. If y'all want to go ahead and do that, y'all can go ahead and do that. I'm sharing what I need to share with you guys. The rest is up to y'all, okay? Anyway, guys, this was a great session. Even through the freaking chop, we make our pips. Thank you so much for all of y'all to join us here at Forex Trading for the New York Market Open. Cash is going to check the reactions, and she's gonna decide. It's not up to me. She's gonna decide whether she's gonna be doing London for y'all tomorrow or not. But nonetheless, be freaking prepared for tomorrow's day. All right, message your friends, message your family, message anyone you think that'd be interested in Forex trading, because tomorrow is gonna be that day where they're like, oh wow, you guys make this much money. Tomorrow's going to be one of those days, okay? I promise y'all. Spread it. Let's try to get some more people on the stream tomorrow. Let's try to get some more eyes on the stream tomorrow, okay? You guys, listen, y'all are the OG fam, and we keep telling y'all, okay? We're building a freaking army of millionaires, all right? And you guys, we're taking y'all with us, okay? So don't waste time. Strap up. Join us and be ready for CPI tomorrow. All right, thank you guys so much. I'm CramFX, my partner is Cash, and this is Forex Trading. You guys, signing out.